In a coal-rich mining zone, a powerful excavator begins its shift, carefully digging into the black surface of the earth. With precision and force, the bucket lifts heavy chunks of raw coal, a resource vital to global energy and industry. Each movement is calculated. The coal is collected and stacked, ready to enter the next stage of processing and transport. This is more than just digging. It's part of a complex system that fuels electricity, steel production, and modern infrastructure. From the mining pit to the power grid, it all starts here with machines like this excavator, working at the heart of energy creation.